Hi everyone, and welcome to our video on I bought an ultimate exercise ball, now what? Okay, so you got your ball and you got your trusty pump. So you're gonna blow that ball up for me, and you wanna make it pretty firm. On the first few weeks that you have your ultimate exercise ball, you will need to add air 2 or 3 times over the first few weeks because the material stretches out a little bit and it works out any little divots it has from sitting in its package. Next, when you are seated on the ball, I want you to make sure you have the right size. So you want to have your thighs parallel to the floor or slightly above. That's also how you're going to know if you have enough air in the ball. From a safety perspective, you always want to make sure you're working out on one surface, which means ball and your feet are on either the floor or all on the mat. I do not want your feet on the floor and ball on the mat. The mat will slip, and the last thing we want is for you to get injured. Finally, how to clean your wonderful new toy. So for cleaning purposes, dish soap and water. Nothing too harsh, no chemicals, because it eats away at the material and it might void the anti-burst, burst-proof warranty. So dish soap and water. And then after that, have fun, smile, let's work out.